So I'm here today to share with you all some online shopping that I've been doing a lot lately. And before I get into that, there are so many new official glam dolls in the community. And when I say official, that means subscribed glam dolls. So I would like to formally welcome you all into the community and thank you oh so much for subscribing to this channel. And I really want to get the comment section going because I'm very curious to know if you are amongst the new official glam dolls. Like I said, that means subscribe glam doll. Comment down below and tell me from which video did you actually subscribe into this community, because I haven't been posting videos a lot lately, and that's due to I am grieving the death of my Aunt Gail, and she died from COVID-19, and she was 60 years old. And when I tell you that the coronavirus or COVID-19 took her out like that, it took her out like that. My aunt, she did have an underlying health condition. She was a diabetic, and when COVID latched onto her, it took her completely out. It completely devastated the family, especially myself. Didn't see it coming. Didn't even see it coming. She started with a headache and a sore throat, and it fully exacerbated within 3 days to a full-blown sickness. She took her COVID test on a Thursday. She got her results back on a Saturday, and she died that Monday. So completely devastated me, rock bottom. So that's why I haven't been posting any videos lately. And now another family member of mine who's a diabetic, he now has COVID-19, and he's in the hospital in ICU right now. So it's like I'm reliving the trauma all over again. But I said to myself, come on, your Aunt Gail will want you to, you know, get on what you get on, as if anyone that passed away does. So I don't want this video to be a womp womp womp. So let's get into why I'm recording today. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of online shopping, and one of the things I brought into was a new subscription service, this time to the American Influencer Beauty Bundle subscription beauty service, OMG. I brought into this service just for the mere fact that first of all, it's $34 bi-monthly. That's number one. And I brought into this service for the mere fact that when you pay your subscription fee, a portion of it gets donated to the research and fight against COVID-19. That is what ultimately sold me on this beauty subscription service, because the other ones that, you know, I'm a part of, I ain't see them saying anything about them donating to a research and fight against COVID-19. That's what American Beauty Influencer is doing, that they donate a portion of your subscription service fee to the fight against COVID-19 and for research. Now, another thing they donate money towards is for the City of Hope for cancer research. So this subscription service is now very near and dear to me, because I know for a fact that when I receive my subscription and when I receive my products, not only am I receiving full-size products at a fraction of their cost, the money is being donated towards a fantastic cause. So boom, yep, that's why I'm a part of it. So enough about that. Let me just get into the box. I know you like, girl, open the box. Okay. Oh, ta-da! So when you open it, it says be strong, be beautiful, be you. And when you get the box, inside you're first going to see your info card, which tells you about the products that you have inside here. And this month beauty influencer is Manicador Cosmetics, okay? Full-size portions at a fraction of their cost. So Manicador, which also makes me think, well, this says American Beauty Influencer, but she was actually born in Paris, and she launched her cosmetic line in 2012, so it's fairly new to the market, but it's been getting rave reviews, all right? And like I said, this is the info card, which tells you the things that are in here, and you have your little protector foam right here. And first thing up out the box is her full size, what is this, hydrating face mist, and it smells incredible. It smells incredible. Oh, this do smell like I'm somewhere in the Caribbean tropics or something. This smells incredible. Yeah. Oh, this really smells incredible. I feel like I can use this as a body spray, to be honest. But yeah, and it says hydration happy, and it says you can use this before applying your makeup, or you can use it after your makeup, or you can use it when you don't even wear no makeup, like what I'm doing right now. Next up is the Lash Serum. These help your lashes to appear thicker and healthier, which comes in a packaging like this. Now, like I said, this box is $34 bi-monthly. However, these products by itself cost way more than the cost of the actual box here. Like, for example, because I wrote them down how much they was costing. The face mist that I just showed you right here, this costs $19 by itself. So when you go on her website, Manica Doll Cosmetics, you're gonna get this by itself, which is $19. The Lash Serum, this is $29 by itself. So already between this and the serum, the face mist and the serum, you done got your money's worth off the box, because you still got more products to go. But yeah, this is the Lash Serum, and this just helps your eyelashes to grow nice and thick. Super cute. I'm loving the feel of it. Okay, let's see if it has a scent. This smells incredible. This is a serum. So this don't have no color to it, because this is just a serum, okay? Let me see. I don't have no mirror and I'm doing this. Oh Lord. I don't have one. I don't have no mirror. I'm using the camera as the mirror. Wow. This smells, oh my God, that smells incredible. Okay, let's just keep going. So this is the bronzer and blush, and when you open the compact, you have a mirror right here, which is really good. It's a full-size mirror, and it has a protective film over it like this. It has a little protective film. I think that's super cool, because you know that helps your product not to get all over your mirror and create a mess. And this is the color of the bronzer and blush. Oh, this smells like bakery items, I kid you not. Bronzer and blush. Oh, I'm sorry. This by itself is $24. This by itself is $24. So you pretty much can use this before you apply your foundation. Like, you can touch it up under your eyes or wherever you have large pores and then apply your foundation, or you can use it thereafter, because though it is white as it is looking, it's supposed to go onto the skin and blend into there seamlessly. So like if you want to bake or anything like that, you should be able to do that. And that powder is $29. So yeah, $29 and $24. Okay, you're going to really get your money's worth out of this whole box. Oh man. So two more products, and we're going to move on to the next thing. This here is the actual volumizing mascara. Okay, this right here costs $29. All right, this is $29, and let me get it open. This is the packaging. This is what the packaging is looking like. So not only am I showing you what I'm actually testing it out for you guys. The smell test. Oh, this smells incredible. Look at that. Ooh. Well, I don't know. I'm not much of a mascara wearer. I mean, to me, I'm not a mascara wearer, so it's great to have this, but I'm not looking for no real big difference. But it did kind of stretch my eyelashes out a bit. Yeah, it definitely made them look a bit darker, I could say that. But I'm not much of a mascara wearer, but this mascara by itself was $29 to be exact. So I'm still happy with it. I'm just happy that for $34, like I was saying, not only are you spending $34 bi-monthly, okay, You get full-size products like I'm showing you, but what really impressed me most about this American Beauty box is a portion of the money is donated towards the research and fight against COVID-19, because we're still in the middle of a pandemic, okay? The fight against that, and it also helps, you know, donate money towards the fight against cancer and, you know, for cancer research. So that's what's really impressing me, okay? In this box, all of this I got for only $34, okay? And this by itself is $19, and I'm gonna spray it again. Woo! Smell so freaking good. I'm gonna use this to death. I'm gonna use that to death. That's what I wanted to share with you all today, because I was feeling bombed out, but I pulled myself together because I saw these things came in the mail, and I was like, you know what? Turn this camera on, get back into your community, say hello to all your official new glam dolls. Like I said, that means my subscribed glam dolls. I want to welcome you all into this community. As you know, everybody in this community call me Glam. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So in this community, that's exactly what you're going to get from me, is how to save money on fabulous looks. Hence the beauty box. Seriously, that's it. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything that I showed you will be listed down in the comment section below and in the description box, including the discount codes that is available for you to utilize to save extra money on your purchases. Again, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm gonna go and start putting this stuff away, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.